An approach considered by Elsvier. Zero medicines recoveries. If you have difficulty in falling asleep and keep waiting, you can have your sleep within 20 to 30 seconds of time. If you have caught a cold, you can have recovered from it within 20 minutes of time without medicines. If you have Cattarh, you can recover from it within 15 minutes of time without any medicine. If you are highly tired, you can recover from it within 15 minutes of time. If you have headache or cough, you can recover from it within 15 minutes of time without medicine. Not all type of headache and cough will be recovered. For details, visit YouTube Cattarh 7777. Good luck.